guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you that will show you how to create a free Weebly website. Once you're done watching the video, you can click the link in the description down below. That will take you to a free trial version of Weebly, which you can utilize for yourself, absolutely free. So, when you log in, you'll be able to log in with either a Google account or a normal email of any kind. You'll have to set up an account, and that will normally launch a wizard, which you can also access by going to My Site and Add Site in the top right hand corner from the dashboard. This is what that looks like, and it's a step-by-step guide in creating a new website. If you can select at this stage to add a store if you need one, and then just a new website if you don't. And take some time at this stage to browse the different templates available to you, have a look at what's there, and try and pick something which is closest to what you want your site to look like. So you need to find a format and a layout that is kind of closest to what you want. It's very easy to change font and colors of things, so like I said, look for the layout, look for the kind of structure. I'm going to go with this one, and once you select the site, you can see it very quickly, have a quick look around it, and then hit start editing. So you'll see that once it's open, on the left hand side, the elements will appear. The first thing that it's going to ask us actually is to connect a custom domain, so we're going to deny that. We don't need to do it at the moment. So you can access that as well in the settings menu. I'll show you that in a second. But on the left hand side here, you'll see that you can click and drag these different elements into the website. They cover most of the tools that you'll need for web design, such as images and text, and you can see that you can literally just drag and drop them onto the site like that in order. You'll see that when you do drag them, these little blue lines appear that denotes which order things are going to go in. So you can kind of hold it for a second and leave it go where you want it. You can see then that text is single click and that little menu appears, and double click and then you can edit whatever is there, and type that in manually with the keyboard then. So that covers most of the things. Whatever isn't there as a tool will be available in the App Store as a third-party app. It does support those quite extensively. So if you can't do it with some of the built-in stuff, then you'll be able to do it with an app. Pages at the top here gives you access to the pages in your site and allows you to see them and rename them and navigate to them. You can also delete them from there as well, which is very easy to do. The order in which they're structured in this list corresponds to the order in which they appear on the menu on your website. So you can see that press is to the far right. However, if I drag it under and make it like to the right of menu of the home page at the top there, you can see that it's now in a sub menu. And if I drag it back to the left, it'll now appear in the middle, and drag it to the bottom again, and it'll appear back on the far right. So, that's how you kind of customize the menu. To add a new page to your website, hit that little plus symbol right there. It'll add a standard page. You can click done, give it a title, and edit the settings on that, and that will appear then as a new page in your menu and on your site. Theme allows you then access back to the template browser that we saw at the beginning, so you can change that at any point. You can create a website and then change the theme even after all is done, and you will keep the content of it in terms of text and images, and it'll just kind of reformat it in terms of layout. Apps we've covered, and then the settings will allow you then to change the URL, access to the SEO, manage the members of your site and things like that as well. So all very straightforward and self-explanatory, and it's as easy as that. Once you've completed the site and it looks the way you want it to, then hit publish in the top right hand corner, and that will make your site available for public view. So give the link in the description down below if you want to give it all a go now for completely free. If you've got any questions, or if you want suggestions for any future videos or anything like that, you can leave them as comments down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.